3 proven tips to earn affiliate money without spending a penny. Are you looking to generate affiliate income without breaking the bank? Good news! You can kickstart your affiliate marketing journey with zero upfront investment. 1. Build an engaged audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing lies in building a loyal and engaged audience. Focus on providing valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your target audience. 2. Promote relevant affiliate products. Select affiliate products that align with your niche and cater to your audience's needs and interests. Thoroughly research the products and services you promote to ensure they are of high quality and provide genuine value to your audience. 3. Leverage free platforms. Utilize free platforms like social media, blogs, or YouTube to amplify your reach and promote your affiliate links. Create compelling and shareable content that resonates with your audience. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. You don't need deep pockets to earn affiliate money. By building an engaged audience, promoting relevant products, and leveraging free platforms, you can kickstart your affiliate marketing journey without spending a penny. To learn more, just go to link in description.